Chinampas here is another tessellation that my Tessellations by Tile students chose. And I say chose because we started with, okay, what's the cluster around the large square? What's the cluster of 8 right triangle twists? And then we matched them together and picked a spacing, picked a twist in between, this twist in between, and formed this tessellation on the fly. So with every workshop, we form a new tessellation on the fly because that's how designing works. You can make simple choices and really go down a tree structure of options where you have an initial choice that branches into more choices that branch into more choices that branch into more choices. And once you get all the way down, you have a finished tessellation at the end. So this particular tessellation is named Chinampas for the floating gardens of Mexico City. And what I saw in it is positions, so planes of stability with swirling waters all around.